Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchack and I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here. If you're a new subscriber and you like what you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And in order to receive notifications of when I will upload new videos, if you just tap on that little bell, which is next to it, you will receive notification when I've uploaded a new video. So I have some unboxing. I have some Stampin' Up! And some others. So I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to put this all in one or I may have to make this two videos. But I will start with Stampin' Up! First, okay, of course, because that is my first love. So here I have a box that arrived yesterday. And this is not going to be anything exciting for you. Trust me, because I know what's in here, even though I didn't look. There's a lot of bubbles. And look, it is my Fast Fuse sale. I was one of the fortunate ones to jump in to get the Fast Fuse sale that Stampin' Up! Was having. This was a huge sale. It didn't even last, I don't even think, 24 hours. But it was when you purchase one of the Fast Fuse, you got 2 refills. So I thought that was a great deal. So I loaded myself up on them. I do love Fast Fuse. Sometimes there's a little bit of a learning curve with it, but the more you use it, the more you like it. And I believe they are still available to purchase in the catalog. However, the special that was going on flew out the door, but you still can buy them. And I believe from what I've been hearing, it's sounding like these are not going to be in the new upcoming catalog. So if this is something you like, you may want to go ahead and make a purchase of them. So I purchased enough of them that I got a free celebration item. So this is the Epic Celebrations, and I've been seeing so many people do so many things with this, and it's just so perfect for teenagers, girls, boys, it doesn't matter what. I got the clear mounts with the red rubber. So that's what's all in this box, is a box of adhesives. So don't you love that? Cool. I'm excited. All right, let's go next. There was a lot of stuff on my door today when I got home from work. Paper Pumpkin. This is the February 2018 edition. It's called Wildflower Wishes. So if you haven't gotten yours yet and you're a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin and you don't want to have your surprise ruined, then go ahead and stop the video right now. But if you have, or if you're kind of like me and you can't wait to see what it is and you did not receive yours yet, then go ahead. But last chance, peeps. Click off or click on. All right, here we go. So let's see what we got. All I did was cut the adhesive. So when I open up my box, here I have this paper in here. It says, "Let's celebrate 5 wonderful years of creativity and sharing. If you subscribe by March 10th to receive Paper Pumpkin's awesome March kit and a free gift package in our special 5th anniversary box. And be sure to share your Paper Pumpkin experiences using hashtag #PaperPumpkin5. So it's so hard to believe that Paper Pumpkin is 5 years old. It feels like it was just yesterday when this whole announcement of this Paper Pumpkin program started. And I was in on it from day one. I was actually at the event where Stampin' Up! Mentioned about Paper Pumpkin, and we got to get a free kit. And all I can say is, wow. Definitely, it has improved in 5 years. So it comes in this box, and it's always wrapped up super nice. So it's like Christmas every month. So if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe by March 10th. Choose me, Susan Timchack, as your demonstrator. I'd so appreciate that. And then I could keep you updated with alternative project ideas. If you have any questions on it, you can start and stop this subscription at any time. So you can do a month-by-month subscription, or if you choose, you can do a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. And because now Celebration is going on, if you do a 3-month prepaid subscription, so you pay in advance, you will also get to earn a free Celebration item. So how fun is that? Now, if you do 6 or 12 month, then you'll qualify for even more. With each $50 purchase, whether it be a prepaid subscription or your own purchase of whatever, you'll get free Celebration items, but it's only until the end of March. And this special box with a free gift, you have to sign up by March 10th. Because then the subscriptions go through, and then what happens is you receive it the week after, and then you're also able to purchase refill kits or additional kits and look into past kits. If you see something fun that you missed out on, you can go ahead in there and you can purchase past kits that you missed out, or current kits that maybe you like this one. You don't need the whole kit, you only need the refill, so it's very affordable. So anywho, back on to where we're at. You get these little ink spots. They're called Stampin' spots, and there are water-based dye ink pads, and they are acid-free, and they are non-toxic. So I know I've seen a lot of things online now of people saying that, their children are creating with the inks, and they're a health hazard. Stampin' Up's inks are non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is just a cute little cube, and you use that to ink up your stamps. And they are photopolymer. Now, the first subscription you receive, you will get a block, an acrylic block that'll be this size. So you will just use that block for every subscription after that. So here's the fun stamp set. Now, it has the words celebrate, friend, thank you. There's little flowers. Let's see what else. Sometimes these are hard to read. Your awesomeness. Maybe if I do this. Nope, that doesn't help me. My eyes are too old. Let me see here. So much. Hello, sweet. And there's friend there. Yeah, your awesomeness. And I think that's it. And then some cute little flowers. So how sweet is that? And you want to keep these because these are stamp sets that you cannot purchase anywhere. So they only come in paper pumpkin. So that's the only way you can get them. You can't, order them online through our catalog or anything. So let's take a look in here and see what we have. All right. And this comes right to your door. It averages out to be about $25 a month, which is very affordable. But if you do the prepaid subscriptions, you'll save even more money. And don't forget, free Celebration. So it comes all prepackaged here. Let me I'm always so afraid to poke these holes because I'm afraid I'm going to poke into some of my goodness. So yep, we have the stamp set and we have the garden green. Stampin' Up! Does not double up on any of the ink spots for a year. So you can build a whole collection of inks just by saving up these. And you can use our re-inkers on these as well. Real nice piece of chipboard. Don't throw that away. You know how us crafters, we kind of save and hoard everything. So here we are with some, I have some little glue dots on here. Some of our twine, our, what's the word I'm looking for? Y'all know what I mean. All right. It's like a very, very thin hemp. We have some of our dimensionals. These are glue dots. Stampin' Up! Always provides envelopes, and oh my goodness, look at the inside of these envelopes. Let's see how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I count right? Or maybe there's 10. I'll have to check. Supplies for, 9 cards and envelopes. Okay, I counted right. But look how stinking cute these envelopes are. Look at that inside. Here's some pretty pearls, self-adhesive. And let's see what else we got. Okay, so here is our card bases, which is kind of like a crumb cake, kind of. Sahara sand crumb cake. So we have that. And then here we have some pieces of cardstock with different types of designs on them. Can you see the designs? There's like little flowers. There's like, it almost reminds me of like a fence kind of thing, and stripes at a diagonal. Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh, this just makes me feel like spring. Oh, spring has sprung. It's a little warm here in Pennsylvania, and I am not complaining. Look at how cute these are. So we have those. And I'm going to have to do another video to create the project with this kit, because I'm not going to have enough time on here to do it. And look at those. Oh, it's getting better. Look at these. Look at these flowers. And this says friend. Is that? Oh, they have self-adhesive stickers. And look, when you peel that up, look, it's like a little peekaboo. So you have like two different things there. You can use the letters, and then you can use that. And look at these. Oh, I love these. These are self-adhesive dies, and they're not thin stickers. They're heavy, heavyweight cardstock. And what else do we have? Oh, look at how stunning these are. You punch these out. My daughter's texting me. Look at how cool these are. Look at, can you see that? The vellum shapes. Love that. And then don't throw this away, because you can use this as a stencil when you're done with that. And then we have the word celebrate. We have some more flowers here. And then we have thank you with more flowers. And then we have, one of them already came out, these little vellum little sprigs, I'll call them. And then we have some different sized banners. So how fun is that? Do you not love this? Oh, I can't wait to start creating with this. So here's the samples. And the envelope they have, they even decorate the envelope. I love that. I love that. Okay, so let's see. Inside we have full instructions, visual, as well as a little bit of reading. It looks pretty simple to me. You certainly can think outside the box. And I love how they provide this little ruler down the end. So when you have to measure your twine, you can go ahead and measure there. And then on the back, if you're brand new, it explains how to stamp. And then it also tells you exactly what's in your kit. And the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are garden green. Oh, and it is Sahara sand. I wasn't sure which. So that cardstock, not the envelopes, the cardstock is Sahara sand. And don't forget to check out all of our social media with Pinterest and Facebook. And, you know, go join on the Facebook.com Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up! And you'll see a lot of great ideas. A lot of sharing goes on there. So, yeah, this is a super fun kit, Wildflower Wishes, and I'm excited to create with it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end here, but you'll want to come on back. I'm going to do an unboxing of a couple other items. They're not Stampin' Up, but I think they're fun, and I think you'll enjoy seeing them. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this fun Paper Pumpkin kit for February 2018. And don't forget, go ahead and subscribe and choose me, Susan Timchack, as your demonstrator. Send me an email if you need information on this or anything else at stampinsuecreates@gmail.com. Or go ahead to my online store to place that 3, 6, and 12-month subscription at stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a super Stampin' Day, and I'll see you all back here again real soon. Bye for now.